My name is Huey Ni. But maybe some of you over here is my first time knowing you. So, good morning and nice to meet you. I'm actually from KL, and prior to New Skin, I was from a dietitian background. So maybe some of you will be thinking, I thought dietitians preach for healthy eating through natural food. Yeah. So what am I actually going to share today with you? Yeah. So I hope that we all can have some interactions in the chat box. Yeah. Okay. So let me bring you through, right? Actually, today I want to share with you about this topic called aging. Yeah. Are you all familiar with aging? I think it's a common word that we use, right? But I think when I think back, in my early 20s, when I think about aging, I feel that it's not related to me at all. Do we have anybody here that is maybe in their 20s? And probably they think like, yeah, I'm still very young, you know? Yeah, but actually, right, now that I think back, I think aging actually start at a very young age. Yeah, as long as after we born into this world, right? Actually, we're already starting to age. Yeah. So, actually today I'll share with you the topic, right? Do you all want to age youthfully? Yeah. Yeah. If one, right, please type number one in the chat box. So today I can share with you some tips on how to age youthfully. Okay. Ready? Let's go. Okay. So actually, do you all know what is causing aging in us? There are a lot of things in our daily life, in our modern lifestyle that cause us to age. Yeah, maybe you all can share with me some examples that you think causing you to age. Stress, maybe one of the common things, right? Late night sleep. Yeah, maybe our very wonderful food in Malaysia. Yeah, sunlight, quarrel with wife, yeah, stress, bad habits, lack of sleep. Yeah, you are right. Playing with phone at night. Yeah, all these are the things that cause aging in us. Yeah, and just to share with you, right, maybe through this list, right, do you all think that you tick off at least um, 3 to 5 or even more than that? Yeah, I think actually all these uh causes of aging is so common in our life. So maybe if you do face people, right, in your life that tell you that, I don't need to anti-age at this moment. Yeah, maybe you can share with them. Actually, do you know there's so many things in your life right now that is causing you to age? Just that you may not know at the moment. Yeah. Okay. So, okay, what about aging? Maybe you may notice some of the sign and symptom of aging lah, and it will affect all parts of our body in terms of systemic level. Yeah, maybe people will say, "Aya, already I forgotten. I forget what I want to do." Or maybe like 1 minute ago you have something in mind, right? Then suddenly that thought just gone. Then I'm like, I come to the kitchen for what? What do I need? Got such thing. I think quite common, right? Yeah. Or maybe some people will face like blurry vision, dry eyes. Yeah, all these are actually signs and symptoms of aging. Yeah, and the more common ones you may see like all the cardiovascular problems, like people saying having high blood pressure, cholesterol. Yeah, all these are related to aging of heart. Yeah, we also have aging of immunity, which cause us to be more prone to sickness. Yeah, aging of skin probably is the most common one. Maybe if we go out there and we talk to people, when we talk about aging, right? People first thing only would think of aging means wrinkles. Yeah, but probably we can be going out there to share with them. Do you know there's also aging of health? Yeah, that we actually really, really need to take note of. Yeah, more commonly people just think aging is wrinkles and look old lah. Yeah, but actually health is related to aging of health is actually a very big part of our life. Yeah, and so on and so off, so forth lah. You may see like all these signs and symptoms may be relatable to you. Okay, so that's why our new skin company actually came out with this ageLOC technology, which is to help us to target the genetic source of aging. Yeah, and how from this technology itself, right, we able to find where is the root cause of this aging, and we target on it and give it the best nutrients. Yeah, the best nutrients to improve it. Okay, so that's how we with the ability to target the source of aging, we have found that actually it was the gene expression in all our cells that communicates with our aging defense mechanism that actually tell them to slow down. Yeah, so it's our genetic expression that cause our body to have all these signs and symptoms of aging. Yeah, but on this control point, so genetic expression, our gene expression is like our commander. Yeah, they can command our aging defense mechanism to have the sign and symptom of aging, but we can also feed the genetic expression good nutrients so that they can command the aging defense mechanism to protect ourselves better and reduce the sign and symptom of aging. We can actually reverse back the sign and symptom of aging lah. So do you all want to know more about it? Yeah. Okay. So that's why today I want to share with you one of my most favorite supplement, which is our ageLOC YouSpan. Yeah. Why is it is my favorite supplement, right? Actually, I think that it's really one of a kind in the market. Yeah, it's one of the really the most advanced. Yeah, coming okay, like you can take my words, coming from a dietitian, right? Last time I only can if I want to tell you to anti-age, maybe I would just advise you to take blueberries, strawberries, berries lah, fruits and vegetable that is high in antioxidant to help you to anti-age. But actually, this is very different because ageLOC YouSpan provides us nutrient from a genetic level. Yeah, for us to have better improvement in our youth. Okay, what I mean that, right? Is that actually, do you know whose favorite choice is this? Actually, it's our chief scientist, Dr. Joseph Chang, and also Dr. Shelley. Is their favorite choice of supplement. Yeah, why I say that, right, is actually because it's one of the most advanced revolutionary anti-aging supplement. Yeah, how is it? It's because it's caused by a unique blend that all the nutrients, all the ingredients that is used to make this supplement, right, is not readily available in our diet. So maybe some people will say that I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, so why do I still need this? I take multivitamins already, ma. Yeah, but actually, if maybe not today, I won't be sharing today, but if you go and research a bit more about this, actually there are a lot of ingredients that is not readily available. For example, something like purple corn extract. I don't think we have that commonly in our diet, right? Yeah. Or we can also have like one part of it is that normally if we eat orange, right? How do we eat? We'll peel the skin, right? Then only we eat the fruit inside, right? But actually, do you know that actually there's one of the very high antioxidant component that is actually from the skin? But I'm not asking you all to go back today and start eating orange peel. Please don't, okay? because that won't actually give you the amount of nutrients that you need. Yeah, okay. So next point is that why is it our favorite choice is that it's our proprietary ageLOC science that actually focuses on gene expression. Actually, this product, right, took almost 3 decades. Scientists actually go and research and find out the blends, right, to find what are they filter off all the ingredients from our ingredient library, and then they're able to find out what is the matching, the best pairing, right, of all the ingredients that actually help. Yeah, and they came out with this supplement. Yeah. And lastly, it also provides broad spectrum nutritional benefits lah, to resist aging. Okay. So just now when we talk about gene expression, right? Let me go a bit more in depth about what I mean about gene expression and our aging defense mechanism. Maybe these are some terms that you commonly hear and not very familiar, right? Yeah. Actually, our aging defense mechanism comprises of all these colorful balls. Okay. So you see, it actually covers our DNA protection, inflammatory balance, metabolism regulation, tissue renewal, antioxidant defense, and stress response. So our gene expression, which is the commander, right, can tell all these departments on what they need to do to protect ourselves. Okay. So today, I want to share more in depth about 2 of the points. The first one, which is on DNA protection, repair, and repair mechanism. Okay. Yeah. I think like just now you mentioned, one of the most common problems as we age is probably being a bit more forgetful. You know, our brain actually start to age at the age of 20, if I'm not wrong, 20 to 30. Yeah. Yeah. So that's why actually do you know that protecting our brain health is so important? Yeah. Do you all want to have good memory at the age of 60, 70, and 80? Yeah. And still remember your childhood, your good memories that you have in life. Yeah. Actually, with ageLOC YouSpan, actually it helps us to be able to have these strong connections in our brain. Actually, in our brain, there's many, many, many connections. Yeah. And as we age, all these connections start to break off. So that's why the communication sometimes will break down lah. Okay. So, but rather than that, with ageLOC YouSpan, able to give us the nutrients to connect back all these connections. Yeah. So that's why we're able to have better memory, better brain function. Yeah. Okay, and also having a more healthy mood and better well-being, like you feel more positive and don't go through like anxiety, that kind. Okay, so and how this is done, actually one really amazing thing that our scientists found is that as we age, actually okay, this is a bit more in depth, but actually this is our DNA. Okay, so DNA, as we age, or the ending there, the telomere, also we call it the shoelace cap, okay, actually start to shorten. Yeah, so when this shorten, right, actually it will affect a lot of communication in our brain, yeah, in our DNA. Yeah, but actually with ageLOC Wispan ingredients, it able to encapsule to protect the ends of this. Yeah, so that's why our cells can continue functioning properly lah. Okay, so this in just very layman term. But if you all want to know more, maybe you can go and read more about it. Okay, yeah. And also I want to share with you that is that all these are actually backed up with real science. Yeah, people we actually have studies on clinical studies on our brain activities after taking Wispan. So if you see the yellow one on the left, that is before Wispan. So comparing to the right, which is the green one, where there is more movement, you see more bigger green patches, right? Yeah, so that means that there is more movement, more activity going around in our brain. Yeah. Okay, so with better brain connectivity, better brain structure, we able to have better memory, better daily functions. Yeah, because everything comes from our brain, correct? Okay, so that's why one of the testimonial that I want to share with you today is our COE Helen. Yeah, previously she actually suffered from hemorrhage and also a stroke. Yeah, during then, right, actually that was during the start of launch of YouSpan. Thankfully, through YouSpan itself, right, it helped her to have such tremendous recovery from her stroke. Currently, she's being mobile. Okay, she can walk and go around freely. Yeah, and her recovery through the surgery itself is really, really quick. Yeah, maybe we may face like some of our friends out there who is common that their parents or elderlies got into stroke. Yeah, and they always think that that's the end lah. But actually, through YouSpan itself, right, it actually able to help our body's recovery process to be enhanced. Yeah, and to improve the connectivity in our brain, and that's why able to help them to be even more mobile, to have a certain better recovery. Mm. Okay, then the second testimonial that I want to share is about this. So this is one of our brother's grandma. Yeah, so she's actually 86 years old, having dementia. I think dementia is quite common condition among elderlies. They start to forget things. They start to forget people's name and may live in their memories of their early 20s or 30s. Yeah. I know it sometimes it's quite heart aching to see your loved ones forget you, right? Yeah. But actually, after grandma actually start taking YouSpan, yeah, actually it really helped her with her memory. Yeah. And after that, she can actually remember back many pieces of her memories. Yeah. And Actually, I think as grandma herself, right, she would not want to see herself forgetting her loved ones, right? Yeah. So actually, if we do have any friends out there or their family or their friends facing this, right, I really think that we actually have this mission to actually help to improve their life. Yeah, to help to improve their relationship with their family. Yeah, so that they can live better and younger. Lah. Yeah. Okay. Second thing that I want to share with you today is about antioxidant defense. I think with the Scan the World, we talk about a lot about using S3 scanner to find out our antioxidant, right? So would you all be curious how YouSpan would actually help us to improve our antioxidants? Yeah. So actually, not only YouSpan contains ingredients that directly improve our antioxidant, actually, production of antioxidant can be found naturally in our body. Yeah, so there's two types of antioxidant lah. One is from externally, from our diet, from whatever we eat. Okay, and secondly is endogenous, so it's antioxidant that produced by our own body, such as glutathione is one of it lah. Okay. So that's why with YouSpan itself is able to stimulate our body's own production of antioxidant. So if you think about it, if our body able to produce own antioxidant, do you think this antioxidant score will be higher? Do you think it is more long lasting? Yeah, and rather than and is more sustainable, right? Yeah, comparing to taking just an external supplement that only targets the surface. Yeah. So we also have clinical studies that prove the improvement of this biphotonic scanner, and also YouSpan is also SCS certified. Yeah, so before I actually end my session, I also want to share with you that this is my simple transformation. So on the left photo, this is me at the age of 22 or 23. Yeah, I don't know why my face looked like that, but after understanding aging, I believe that back then all the wrinkles lah, dull face lah, lack of energy lah, all these are signs of aging. Yeah, but thankfully with new skin, with ageLOC supplements, right, it actually helped me to have tremendous improvement. Yeah, I think till date I'm looking younger and younger, and also my S3 scores are usually within the blue or sometimes to platinum lah. Yeah. So that's why I really hope that today my sharing able to help you. Yeah, I want to let you know that actually, do you know this ageLOC YouSpan, right? Not only it can help you to improve to anti-age systematically, but it is also one of our new skin Malaysia's money back guarantee product. Yeah, meaning right, if you take this, your S3 score don't improve, right? Go and find new skin. Yeah, but confirm guarantee top sign that your S3 score will increase. Yeah, so maybe some of your friends or customers out there will be thinking, I already taking other supplements like Life Pack, right? So why do I consider YouSpan? Yeah, I think if you are really finding for a more advanced anti-aging supplement that can give you a more sustainable results, yeah, I think definitely they can take their current supplements together with YouSpan to have even better benefits. Yeah, so I think that's all I want to share today. I hope that you all are able to benefit from my session. So go out there, scan the world, and go platinum. Thank you.